Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create audiobooks with ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to ElevenLabs.io and sign into your account. Now, once we've done that, we want to come over to the left hand side and click on the Audiobooks tab. Now, from here, we can create an audiobook by clicking on Create High Quality Audio to Text Export and Distribute Everywhere, or we could start from scratch. So in this demonstration, I'm going to start from scratch. So once you're on this page, it's going to give a little pop-up here with a quick rundown of how to do this. So we can create professional audiobooks with custom voices and sound effects or skip generation and let listeners choose their own narrator. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. Now, before we start here, we can go ahead and edit the speech. So we can edit the volume, the text, the model. We've got different models we can use. I'm just going to choose multilingual. We can add voices inside of here. Now, to the right, we can go ahead and start by typing here or paste any text you want to turn into a lifelike speech. Or we can get started with our document, URL, or narrate a story. Now, if we come back on the left, we've got chapters here. So this is where we can add in chapters. So we got chapter 1, we can add in another chapter. So we got chapter 2, do as many as you want. So obviously start with chapter 1 and start typing in what you want to turn into lifelike speech or pasting in your audiobook. Now, if you want to add in music to your audiobook, you can by clicking on the audiobook here, and you can choose, do a search for what type of music you want in the background, or you can describe your song and let ElevenLabs create a track for it. Now come back to edit. So once you got your chapters done and all that stuff and you're choosing your model, your voice, you can go ahead and click on generate. Then once it's generated, go ahead and then click on export. So you can choose an audio format, so MP3 for a smaller file or a WAV for a higher quality. For audiobook platforms, you may need separate chapter files, a cover image, metadata, and also proper formatting.